Hello students, once again I am with you. So students, today we are going to discuss the politics and lesson second. The name of your lesson is the understanding secularism. So students, in this lesson we will understand some important point. First, your name of lesson is understanding secularism. So first we will try to understand what is secularism. Secularism, it is the very important topic of this lesson. So student, we will try to understand in very common and easy language what is the secularism. Actually in our country after the independence, such special facilities has been present in our constitution, which has been given to all peoples of our country. Then you can follow, you can apply, you can do any type of religion in our country. That means any persons, any groups, any other religion cannot dominate to you. Any other majority cannot forcibly press to you follow their other religions. For example, if you are people of the Hindu religions, other peoples who belong to any other religions, for example you can say Sikh and Muslim also, and majority peoples who are Hindu in your country is a real also. So if any majority Hindu try to dominate, try to do forcibly say to other people who are Muslim that you try to come under my religion. So students, this is not possible in our country. Our constitutional system has managed such as facilities. All peoples has been free to follow any type of religions without any interfere of any other group, societies, member or community. This is called system of secularism. Our state, our government also never can force to any particular religions to follow these activities. So students, this is called secular facilities. And other topic about our country, that means secularism in India. This is the system already we are discussing. Our constitution has been given this system. Any person, any group, any societies, any religion cannot give any type of force to you to follow any other religion. You has been free, you are fairly can follow any religion. You can take your admission in any schools, you can join any type of hospital, you can take any type of medicine or other benefit which may belong to any religions. There is not such as forcibility has been present in your country after independence. This facilities has been given by your constitution. So students, other topic which we are going to discuss, that is what is the advantage of secularism. So in here we try to understand what is the advantage, that means benefit. So students, it's a very common sentence. Advantage also has been many present in our country by the secularism. All peoples has been free, all peoples can follow by which they decide. It is the advantage, that means any person cannot force, any person cannot bound to follow any religion, to do any work. It is the advantage. If you are free to do any work, so your mind also to be free. You also can take education as you wish, and after taking education, your decision, everything to be related to yourself. So students, other topic which we are going to discuss, that is why is it important to secular religion. Actually, what is the means? Religions is important as a free. So students, is religions are free, so pupils are free. If pupils are free, they can do any work as a freedom, because your country has been independent. Your country, your constitution has been applied. So this is important. Free and fearless is important. You are secular. Your democratic system apply has been present in your country. So student, secular system, secularism system which has been given by your constitution, that is a very important for development of each other person, for development of your country, of your nations. If any type of foundation to be present by any person, by any religions, that they cannot free and fair, they cannot do any type of work, they cannot take any decision. So students, secularism is very important, which has been given by our constitution after independence to our country. So students, this was point which we have to discuss now. Already we have to discuss. So students, next day we will discuss other part of this topic. It was the first part of understanding secularism, lesson second of class 8. So students, in next topic, next part, second part, we will discuss in other day. Thank you very much students, to all of you.